Hello friends, today we are going to understand the another method of incentive plan, which is Budex plan. This is a subset of individual incentive plans which is based on time. This Budex has a different concept compared to Hasley, Rowan and Emerson. According to him, there is a hierarchy of employees associated to get the work done. So let's say there is a manager who who is supervising an employee. This is employee A, B, and C. So there is a hierarchy that goes on from top to bottom to top, who gets the work done. However, the workers are only benefited in case of other plans. Budex said, apart from employee, there should be some sort of motivation or some sort of incentive should be given to their supervisors also. So if A is awarded with some bonus, then B has some role to get the work done. That's why in his concept, 75% of bonus should be given to employee and 25% bonus he approached to be given to the supervisor as well, so that even he will get motivated, and apart from employee, manager also get monetary benefits. To understand this, he has created his own uh, point that's called as a B's point, which is counted on a minute basis. So for 1 hour there are 60 B's. So in spite of counting um, any in spite of counting the hours, Budex has suggested to count it in minutes. So accordingly, the calculation vary a little bit. This is the formula to count the bonuses. This is saved B's is standard time minus time taken, and this is total earning. That we'll understand by taking an example. Now we have an example where our standard time is 15 hours, rate is 2 hours, A finishes the work in 6 hours, B finishes in 12 hours. For bonus, we have the 75 by 100. This is the 75% that employee will get, that we are talking about. This is the time of B's employee has saved, and 1 upon 60. That's to get the conversion into minutes, into hours, sorry. So for A, this is 0.75 into, this is standard time minus the time taken. He finishes his job in 6 hours. So 15 minus 6 into 60. This 60 is used to convert this minute into hours. And again, as per the formula, this is 60. So if we cancel out, we'll get 0.75 into 9, which comes as 6.75. This is in rupees. Now, after changing the value of 12 here, this will get cancelled out. This is 0.75 into 3. The value will get as a 2.25 rupees. So with this, we can understand B is getting lesser bonus as compared to A, as A is completing his job in 6 hours and B is taking 12 hours to complete the same type of job. This 2 and 25, this is again counted on a per hour basis. This is rate per hour. For A, again this is rupees per hour.